Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like a whole month since I posted, but I'll be back on track with more hacks and definitely more trips. So as you know by the title, it's going to be about how I pack my day trip bag. Now since I'm not gonna stay anywhere, I'll only just have that one outfit I have on and whatever I need in my bag. This is the bag I'll be using. I think I got this at Target in like at least 4 years ago. Yeah, 2014, 2018 now, I forgot. And for the outfit, I'm just gonna be wearing a white turtleneck crop top, but I'll have high-waisted jeggings just in case I want to easily take them off when I try on clothes. And for the shoes, just these white slip-ons, easy to go. Now let's get started with what's inside my bag. I'm gonna just lay it all out just so you can see easily and quickly of what I'm bringing. It's not really much since I'll just have my jacket in there most likely and whatever I usually carry with my purse. So okay, so here is just a hat, my camera bag, empty water bottle, passport, wallet. Definitely need lotion and my chapstick, another chapstick if I want to be cute and have lipstick to prep up. And I'll obviously be wearing this. And here's my jacket that I'll be wearing and my bag. And of course, the number one thing to always keep in your bag is a charger. You haven't noticed, I didn't say where I'm actually going for my day trip, and that's because I haven't told anyone. Well, maybe just my mom, because obviously that's my mom. But yes, I'm going actually by myself on this trip, and it's only 4 days, so I'm pretty sure I think I'll survive. I'll be making another video for my solo day trip, so tune in for the next one and see you then.